There's no separation between life and death, unfortunately. Nobody gets out alive. It's my turn. There is healing energy in the universe. We can open ourselves to it or close ourselves off to it. And I am there to amplify that. Fire helped make us human. Fire cooked our foods and made it more nutritious, so we have these bigger brains. And I'm a predator. I got eyes in the front. When I was first learning to hunt, I was having really bad luck, which I attributed to being a self-righteous vegetarian for a long time. That's exactly where I was shooting. Woo, not too bad. You can love something and want to eat it. It's no longer paradox for me. I have to love them better. I have to know them better. I have to know their environment, what they eat, how they act, what they do. I have to speak their fucking language. I love them. And if I'm my best, smartest, sharpest, fastest, then I'll get what I need. To me, symbiosis is a fusion of life force. And when I eat this turkey, that symbiotic life force is flowing over me like warm water. And someday I'll feed something. And you know, most of my clients, even vegan clients, are super into, they're like, did you get anything? Maybe that's what I love about all these things. In those moments, I don't want to be anyplace else.